Now you know that India has three stages of nuclear reactor. That is pressurized heavy water reactor, fast breeder reactor, and advanced nuclear reactor, which is also called thorium based nuclear reactor. If you have seen last short video, I told you that fuel in pressurized heavy water reactor is uranium. So I will continue from here only. Write this reaction very beautiful. Uranium has lot of isotope. I will consist here three isotope like uranium 92 235, uranium 92 238, and uranium 92 234. So from here I will pick these two isotope mainly. So natural uranium has these two isotopes mainly. But this is very less in quantity, this is in very abundance. But this is highly fissile, but this is not that much fissile. So this will start to burn and will create outcome of plutonium. But as I said, this is not that much fissile, so it will stay as a mixed oxide. This is the outcome of pressurized heavy water reactor, which means in the first stage we get the outcome of plutonium plus mixed oxide. Now in second stage, that means fast breeder reactor, we will get plutonium and mixed oxide as fuel. Now this will start to burn. Here plutonium is already a very good fissile material, but mixed oxide consists of uranium 92 and 238. This will also start to burn and will create again the same product, that is plutonium, as 235 has created. So this is plutonium, this is the outcome of second stage. Now in third stage, that is advanced nuclear reactor, or this is also called thorium based nuclear reactor, we will be having plutonium from the second stage, but one very important ingredient in the fuel in the third stage is thorium. Now plutonium having atomic number of 94, while thorium has atomic number of 90. They will burn and will create a very fissile material that is called uranium 92 233. Alright, and you can see that number of proton and number of neutrons are changing and creating a different type of element. That process is called transmutation. Very important key word here, that is transmutation. That's how first, second, third stages work. Every stage is dependent on each other. Fast breeder reactor, in India we are having only prototype. Russia has created lot of fast breeder reactor, China has few, and India will be third once it will produce electricity from fast breeder reactor by using nuclear energy from the fast breeder reactor. Another developed countries do not believe much in the fast breeder reactor as there is lot of risk here.